Hey guys! What? Hello guys, how's everyone doing? So guys, I actually forgot to wear my dress. Before starting your makeup, make sure that you're wearing the outfit of the day, outfit of the night, or outfit of the occasion. Yes, I'm gonna reveal my outfit in the end of the video. So guys, I'm telling you to wear the outfit before doing your makeup because if you're wearing a heavy outfit like I am wearing right now, and it was so hard to get into it, I was sweating and the dress touched my face, of course, so your makeup will be ruined too even after the fix plus or whatever. And hello, if you're worrying about the fallout, we'll make sure we throw on a towel or a bathrobe, whatever is suitable to you. So I'm just gonna throw on a towel very fast. Okay, so guys, my final look in the outfit. Hope you guys really like it. I'm just kidding you guys. Let's just start with the face real quick. Hey guys, so starting off with my Clinique Moisture Search all over my face. Guys, it is necessary to moisturize your face as most of the weddings in winters happen outdoors and nobody likes a dry babe. Here starts our makeup. For primer, I'm using Lakme Absolute Glow Perfect Primer. I take a lot of primer because I have a lot of large pores, especially around my T-zone, and most of the pores are around my nose. So I just started from the middle and diffusing towards my ear. That's my happy face. For foundation, here I'm using two foundation just to match my recent skin color. L'Oreal one is more of a neutral tone and Maybelline is more on a yellow or maybe warmer side. And once I'm done mixing them, I'm just using my big fluffy brush and especially trying to match the neck and the face. And guys, it was a perfect match. And after that, like ever since I've made this video, I use the same combination for my everyday makeup routine. And I have a lot of pimple marks left out from the past pimples, so it was a perfect match because you can see around 70% of my marks are covered with the foundation. So I was happy with the foundation. Actually, here I'm using my Vaseline lip balm. As I said, you don't want a dry babe. Yeah, I was just trying to take a thumbnail, but it was a failure, guys, and I took a lot of it which I regret, but never mind. Okay, so for my brows, I'm using my Innisfree's Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Espresso Brown, I guess. And guys, don't mind my brows because I haven't got them done in ages because I want them to grow. So I'm just, working out with whatever I have. And I'll be just concealing or maybe foundationing my left out hair or maybe ingrown hair, or to just make it a little cleaner. Here I'm taking my foundation in the shade 140 of L'Oreal Infallible and cleaning my eyebrow actually. Okay, so simultaneously I'll be covering the whole lid just to cover my tiredness, so the shadows will go in a nice pigmentation on top. And for today's eye look, we're using the Colourpop's Cute AF or maybe Yes Please palette. And first of all, we'll be taking the full zip, which is a skin color shade, to just top off the concealer. Next up, I'll be taking the Note to Self, which is a cool tone brown, as my transition shade, starting from the outer corner and just blending it in the crease. Once I'm happy with that, I'll be using the Spoil, which is a warm red color, starting off where I have the eyeliner, like where we put the eyeliner, and bring it up over the crease and blending. Okay, so as it is a simple eye look, I'll be taking the red color, that is spoiled color, and again building it on top of the spoiled, just to get that a warm cranberry kind of eye look. Next up, I'll be taking a skin color, which is full zip, and I'll be just putting it in the inner corner to just open my eyes a little bit. Next up, I'll be taking the Louis shade, which is a cranberry metallic kind of shade, and applying it in the middle. Then I'll be taking the French Kiss, which is a dark brown, just to mimic the eyeliner or maybe a wing liner look. Here I'm just cleaning off the excess. Here I'm taking my Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Eyeliner and just creating a nice wing. Guys, I love a good wing, and a sharp and a long wing actually. Okay, so we are almost done with our eyes, and here I am serving my eyeliner. So I have actually removed my towel because we're done with the eyes, half of the eyes, or maybe 70% of the eyes. Here I'm taking my Kryolan Dermacolor Concealer in the shade D4 and mixing it with my almond face oil, because the D4, which is a Kryolan camouflage cream, it is a little dry, so I just had to mix my oil to make it a little oily and work better for the smoother under eye. I'm just applying it under my eyes, near my mouth, and on my cupid's bow, and blending it with the same brush from which I blended my foundation. Now to just top off our concealer, we are gonna pack it with our luxury powder from Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana, and I'll be just placing it under my eyes or maybe wherever I've applied the concealer and dusting it off. Using the warm red color, which is called Spoiled, from the Yes Please palette, and smudging it with my little blending brush. Here I'm taking my Butter Cake golden shade and applying it on the inner corner just to make my eyes pop a little more, or just open it a little more. Here I'm applying my Colossal Kajal from Maybelline and applying in my waterline to make it look a little more traditional. Here I'm taking my new favorite mascara from Maybelline, which is called Total Temptation, and the regular tool, you guys, applying it all on my lashes and on my waterline K lashes. Now to snatch our faces, I'm using my Freedom bronzer to bronze up or maybe contour my cheekbones a little. Blending it right just to not make it look dusty or muddy. Okay, muddy. Applying a little on my jawline to create a fake jawline goals, and applying the same on the other side of my cheekbone and jawline as well. Now I'll also be like, you've seen I don't have the collarbones, but we're gonna make it work with our bronzer, and we're gonna do our collarbone contour and highlighting. Okay, so yeah, we are somewhat near. Let's make them cheeks blush. Okay, so I'm using my Maybelline Color Show Creamy Cinnamon. I didn't want it to use a pink blush, so I'm using a little warmer or maybe browner tone blush, if that makes sense, because I want it to look like a bronze goddess. Here I'm using my favorite MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, and firstly we're gonna complete our collarbone contour and highlighting. So I'm just applying a little highlighter, and then I'll be applying the same highlighter on my cheeks, like above my cheeks and whatever above my blush. Okay, so we'll be doing the both side, of course, and now I'm applying a little on my little on my nose and on the front section of the nose to make it look a little cute and small. Also, I'm applying it on, not on my cupid's bow, but on the side, I don't know, something of cupid's bow, to make my lips pop a little. And here I'm taking my favorite in color brown lip liner and I'll be lip lining my lips. Here we'll be applying our lip liner as our lipstick and just filling my lips with the brown lip liner. And now I'm just doing my papa and mama. Here I'm taking my favorite L'Oreal Dazzle lip gloss. It's a metallic lip gloss, guys. I'm applying a little and we'll be doing the mama papa again, I guess. Yeah. And yeah, we're done actually. Okay, so the hairstyling is pretty simple. I'll be just doing my regular middle partition and just brushing my hair. Okay, so after middle partitioning, I'll be taking a little front section and taking a little bobby pin and just pinning it on the backwards so that it doesn't disgust me while I eat my food or anything. And doing the same on the other side, that is left side, taking out the front section and pinning it backward. Yeah, yes, we're done. Okay, so I'll be taking the same wooden hairbrush and I'll be teasing my hair a little. Guys, I'm very bad in hairstyling, so please excuse me. So here I'm just creating a little volume with my little hands. So yeah, we're done actually. Adjusting my dress, and here I'm taking my simple golden hoops. Okay, so now I'll be just seeing if the neck piece goes well, but I just dropped the idea because my mehnat of collarbone contouring will be going in waves. So yeah, this was my video on a guest attending a wedding makeup tutorial, and I feel like it was the most easiest tutorial, you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. If you guys found it helpful, do not forget to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and family, and I love you guys so much. I'll meet you in my next video. And hey, if you haven't followed me on my socials, all my socials are at Lata Madhwani, and I'd love to connect with you there. Bye guys, I'll meet you next time.